Another thing I attribute to my brightened complexion and my improved skin tone is this duo right here. This is a hyaluronic acid serum, among other things, and these are vitamin C crystals, and together you can make a vitamin C serum that is active and not degraded at all. The trick is to pour out a little bit of the powder first, about a dime size. Then I like to do 2 pumps of the Drama Free Serum, and I start to mix it with my finger. The granules start to dissolve and you see the color. It is starting to turn into a vitamin C serum. Then of course, gather it up and smooth it on your skin. I do go a little bit on my under eyes because I feel like this is part of the reason why my skin has significantly brightened up also. It's a culmination of things, and this is just 2 of the products that I think made a major, major difference on my skin. Now, this is a repair serum, and this not only is amazing because it has the sodium hyaluronate, which is a smaller molecule of the hyaluronic acid, so it really penetrates into the skin for that added moisture. Everybody knows about hyaluronic acid and how important it is to bind water to the skin, bind moisture to the skin. This also has beta-glucans in it, which is amazing for calming down irritated skin, and you could put this on any skin irritation at all, but on the skin itself, it is just incredible to help it heal and repair itself. It's also amazing for acne scars, and it also calms down redness really, really quickly. Now, pairing it with your vitamin C crystals, because you could dissolve this in any serum, but I love these 2 together, and especially the consistency of it. But since this is the hyaluronic acid, the vitamin C in powder form actually is more stable this way. And all you have to remember is just use a tiny amount. You do not need that much at all. It has to be a dime size because the stuff is potent. Vitamin C is an incredible antioxidant, which you put on every morning. And it is imperative that you have it on your skin because it actually helps to protect your skin from free radical damage from pollution. And it also helps reverse sun damage. Now, these 2 products are available all the time with Beauty Society, and all of my information is down below. Contact me. You could even text me and we could chat about your skin, what it is that you need. I have a lot of customers that do have this. Like I said, vitamin C is an important antioxidant to have in your skincare regime all the time, and it doesn't matter what your skin type is. Vitamin C is incredible. But yes, these products are available all the time, but for a limited time, tonight only, because I just found out about this, when you purchase your Drama Free Serum, you will get the vitamin C crystals free, and it is a cart deal for Beauty Society. So like I said, you could get these all the time, but for tonight only, up until midnight, this will be free if you purchase your Drama Free Serum. So contact me. I'll get you all set up if you wanted to just try these 2 alone, or if you want me to put together a full skincare regimen for you so you know what to get either now or for next time. So that's it for this special announcement. I will see you guys soon.